Hello everyone, welcome to Competitors Hub. Today's topic is another part of RRB NTPC GK PYQ series. Today's first question is the Panchtantra fables are thought to be composed by, and the options are A. Mulla Nasiruddin, B. Vishnu Sharma, C. King Sudarshan, D. Tenali Raman. And the right answer is option B. Vishnu Sharma. Next question is which of the following statements regarding the Supreme Court of India is not correct? And the options are A. It acts as the guardian of the liberties of the people of India. B. It acts as the guardian of the Constitution. C. It acts as the protector of the directive principles of state policy. D. It has final power to investigate disputes regarding election of the president and vice president. Right answer of this question is option C. It acts as the protector of the directive principles of state policy. Next is what was the code name of the nuclear test conducted by India in Pokhran in 1998? And the options are A. Operation Desert Storm, B. Operation Vijay, C. Operation Shakti, D. Operation Kaboom. Right answer is option C. Operation Shakti. Operation Desert Storm, US and Allied Forces versus Iraq. Operation Vijay, two campaign by Indian Army in 1961 to liberate Goa Daman Diu from Portuguese in 1999, response of Kargil War. Next question is what is Sepak Takraw? Options are A bird, B an ancient hunting team in Malaysia, C. Kick volleyball, D. A type of combat flight. And the right answer is option C. Kick volleyball. Next question is who is Anjali Ella Menon? Options are A. An Indian politician, B. Bharatnatyam dancer, C. A popular musician, D. Indian female artist. And the right answer is option D. Indian female artist. Next question is what is Swadeshi? And the options are A. Made in India from materials that have also been produced in India. B. Made in foreign lands from materials that are foreign. C. A charkha that is used to spin cotton wool. D. A country flag that is made of cotton. And the right answer is option A. Made in India from materials that have also been produced in India. At the time of partition of Bengal in 1905, the term Swadeshi was first used. Partition of Bengal was announced on 19th July. Date of partition was 16th October. British Governor General at that time was Lord Curzon. Next is where is the Masai Mara National Reserve? And the options are A. Mali, B. Kenya, C. Gabon, D. Zambia. Right answer is option B. Kenya. Masai Mara is famous for its big five, that means lion, elephant, leopard, rhino, buffalo. Next question is which contemporary painter made a series of paintings on Mahatma Gandhi? And the options are A. Amrita Sergil, B. Ram Kinkar, C. M.F. Hussain, D. Atul Dolia. And the right answer is option D. Atul Dolia. Next is what does Satyameva Jayate mean? Options are A. Truth alone triumphs, B. Truth faith is rare, C. Truth is divine, D. Truth is a treasure. And the right answer of this question is option A. Truth alone triumphs. Satyameva Jayate is from Mundaka Upanishad. Next question is select the alternatives that does not have a similar relationship as the given pair, that forward and backward. Options are A. Hope, despair, B. Love, hate, C. Anger, wrath, D. Smile, cry. And the right answer is option C. Anger, wrath. Next question is if H2O is related to hydrogen, then KOH is related to. Options are A. Cobalt, B. Phosphorus, C. Potassium, D. Krypton. And the right answer is option C. Potassium. Next question is Mali is the capital of which country? Options are A. Mauritius, B. Lakshadweep, C. Maldives, D. Malaysia. And the right answer is option C. Maldives. Mauritius capital is Port Louis. Lakshadweep's capital is Kavaratti. Malaysia's capital is Kuala Lumpur. Next is 0 degree centigrade is equal to what degree Fahrenheit? Options are A 100 degree Fahrenheit, B 30 degree Fahrenheit, C 34 degree Fahrenheit, D 32 degree Fahrenheit. And the right answer is option D 32 degree Fahrenheit. Next is, what is Makar Sankranti? Options are A solar eclipse, B lunar eclipse, C kite festival, D puppet snow. And the right answer is option C kite festival. Next is, what is the Siberian ibex? And the options are A mountain lions, B large and heavily built goats, C mountain deer, D a type of horse. Right answer is option B large and heavily built goats. It is mainly found in India in Himalayan region in the states of Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Next is, what is the normal resting heart rate range for adults? Options are A 60 to 100, B 50 to 80, C 120 to 180, D 75 to 120. And the right answer is option A 60 to 100. Next question is, who was the first woman to reach summit of Mount Everest? Options are A Bachendri Pal, B Junko Tabei, C Arunima Sinha, D Premlata Agarwal. And the right answer is option B Junko Tabei. Next is, which is the capital of Sri Lanka? Options are A Colombo, B Kandy, C Jayawardhanapura Kotte, D Anuradhapura. Answer is option C Jayawardhanapura Kotte. Sri Lanka has two capitals, Colombo the executive and judicial capital and Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte legislative capital. Next question is, the Dibru-Saikhowa, Nameri and Orang National Park are all found in which state? And the options are A Andhra Pradesh, B Assam, C Arunachal Pradesh, D Uttarakhand. And the right answer is option B Assam. Next question is, which among the following happens in an oxidation reaction? Options are A electrons are gained, B electrons are lost, C protons are gained, D protons are lost. And the right answer is option B electrons are lost. In oxidation, oxygen is added or hydrogen removed from a substance. In reduction, oxygen is removed or hydrogen is added to a substance. Next is, between which stations does India's longest train run? Options are A Kanyakumari to Baramulla, B Dibrugarh to Nalia, C Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari, D Tiruvananthapuram to New Delhi. And the right answer is option C Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, comment, subscribe and stay tuned.